Dear students, very good morning to everybody. Hope you are staying here and healthy. We are continuing with the muscular tissue. You know, muscular tissue on the basis of its location, structure, and function, there are three types of muscular tissue. One is skeletal, another is smooth, and third is cardiac. So we can say muscles are of three types: skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Out of these three, we have already completed our one type of it in our yesterday's class, that was about the skeletal muscle. Now today we are having another type of muscular tissue, or rather the another type of muscle, that is a smooth muscle. Smooth muscle, which is also called unstriped or non-striated muscle. These muscles are found in the walls of the hollow visceral organs, except that of the heart. That is why they are called visceral muscles. Smooth muscles are involuntary in their activity, that is, their functioning cannot be directly controlled. Smooth muscles never connect with the skeleton. Now, the structure of smooth muscles. Smooth muscle fibers or cells are elongated and spindle shaped. Spindle shaped means they are pointed or tapered at the ends, that is also called fusiform, and broad in the middle. These fibers are held together by the cell junctions and are bundled together in a connective tissue sheath. Each muscle cell is enclosed in a simple plasma membrane. There is a single centrally located oval nucleus in the cytoplasm or sarcoplasm, so they are uninucleate. Delicate contractile threads called myofibrils run longitudinally through the cell. These fibrils do not show any light or dark bands, that is why they are called smooth or unstriped or non-striated muscles. Now, the location of smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are found in the posterior part of esophagus, that is food pipe, stomach, intestine, lungs, urinogenital tract, urinary bladder, blood vessel, iris of eye, etc. Now, the function of smooth muscles. These muscles help in bringing about involuntary movements in the body, such as peristalsis. Peristalsis is the movement of food in the alimentary canal, opening and closing of tubes, etc. Now, the third type of muscular tissue, that is the cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscles are exclusively present in the heart. These muscles are involuntary in their activity. Now, the structure of cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are composed of branched fibers. The branches join to form a network. Each fiber or cell is surrounded by sarcolemma and has cytoplasm or sarcoplasm with longitudinal myofibrils and a centrally located nucleus, that is, each cell is uninucleate. The myofibrils have transverse faint dark and light bands which alternate with each other. In addition, these muscle fibers show densely stained cross bands called intercalated discs at intervals. The intercalated discs are specialized regions of cell membrane of two adjacent fibers. The intercalated discs function as boosters of contraction contraction wave and permit the wave of muscle contraction to be transmitted from one cardiac fiber to another. So, all the fibers contract as a unit. Now, the location of cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles occur in the walls of heart. Function. Cardiac muscles contract and relax rapidly, rhythmically throughout life. Cardiac muscles never get fatigued. The contraction and relaxation of the heart muscles help to pump and distribute blood to various parts of the body. So this was about cardiac muscle, its structure, location and function. With this we completed the muscular tissue, though there is one more topic about it, that is the differences between these types of muscles. That will be in our next class, inshallah.